So hey guys, this is the OPPO Find N2 Flip. Yes, we already know that OPPO was planning to unveil their first clamshell phone with the second generation of the OPPO Find N2 Foldable. Now a hands-on video of OPPO's first flip phone has leaked and it looks to be extremely great in hands. I know the video is just a few seconds long, but it gives us an idea of how the flip phone will seem from the outside. As you can see, there is a big new 3.26 inches vertical secondary display on the back of the phone, which is so big that you can do some regular stuff on it even without opening the phone. I must say that OPPO has done an excellent job here, and on the side of the display there are two cameras with LED flash. In terms of specifications, according to leaks, the phone features a 6.8 inches foldable Samsung E6 AMOLED display. It will have a Full HD Plus resolution and a refresh rate of 120Hz. A volume control and power button are located on the phone's right side. The power button also functions as the fingerprint reader. The phone has a dual camera system. According to the leaks, the main camera is a 50 megapixel Sony IMX890 sensor. A Sony IMX355 with an ultra-wide lens is also possible. Considering how hard OPPO is working on foldable phones, the day may not be far away when OPPO will give Samsung a run for its money in the foldable market. For example, last year OPPO launched OPPO Find N, their first book-like foldable phone, which received a lot of appreciation from its design and functionalities. Some even say that Samsung could learn from OPPO when designing their next Z Fold phone. So now OPPO is releasing a flip phone that will compete directly with the Z Flip 4, and it will be fascinating to see how both phones compare in terms of specs and even pricing, because everything begins from there. According to reports, the OPPO Find N2 Flip will be powered by the Dimensity 9000 CPU. A 4300 mAh battery will also be included with the phone. That's an amazing capacity for a flip foldable phone, and it also comes with a 44-watt fast charging. The phone will be based on Android 13 and ColorOS 13 on top. As per speculations, the colors will be black, white and purple. Each color will be given an unique name by company. The phones will be available for INNO Day in December. There are only few weeks remaining. We also anticipate additional leaks. So what do you think about this OPPO Find N2 Flip? Let me know in the comment section below. With that said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.